everyone. I am Jannat from 8th class, new staff of the school. Today we are going to give an experiment on surface tension. It's about surface tension. It's about the tension we have on a surface, which can help us to stay focused on our work, and we can stay on the surface. Like mosquitoes, they stay on the surface of water. They can easily, but if we add chlorophyll in it, they cannot. It's because of surface tension. Chlorophyll reduces the surface tension. That's why it cannot stay on it. Today we're going to experiment with three main ingredients. It's water, turmeric, and a spray and soap. The most important because soap is going to help us reduce temperature. First of all, we will make a thick layer of turmeric on water like this, a very thin layer. If you want, you can also. अभी हमें ये नहीं सोचना है कि ये टर्मरिक है, ये सोचना है कि ये हमारी सरफेस टेंशन है, तो इसे रिड्यूस करने के लिए हम ये सोप लेंगे. Now this, it is reducing the surface tension, it is taking it away like this.